face wash, and this is our lipstick, one for her, one for me, and it's the same lipstick. And this is for Mama, and this is for Jenny brush. And where is your lip pen? Okay, everything is in shade. Hi guys, we are here in the house and we will see what is the shopping. We are in the shoe box. This is
No
the
problem.
this we don't want to.
We can keep for
remembrance. Very nice man. This is from the perfume shop. This is for Papa, made in Italy, and very cute. He needs like this because he's man. Second, the madam shoes.
Arriva.
This is for walking. Very soft. And
Made in Italy.
Visano.
I think Italy.
Made in Turkey.
Brazil.
Made in Brazil. Oh my god. I don't know how much, but it's costly shoe sale. That's why I did not buy them.
Okay guys, this is our
And this is the perfume
Men.
from Melora. This is yours.
Baba.
We buy two because it's sale.
30% discount.
30% is 7 dinar 1 piece. At ito yung ka Jenny Whisper. Yours, right?
No, for Matthew buy.
Huh?
For Matthew.
It's 10 dinar. Really? When will come?
Maybe August.
Son of our pastor for Matthew. And this is for Jenny. What is this? Face wash. And this is our lipstick, one for her, one for me, and it's the same lipstick. And this is for Mama, and this is for Jenny brush. And where is your lip pen? Okay, everything is in shade. We will try the lipstick. I will open my lipstick.
Arey wow, 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 wow. Look at yourself in the mirror.
That's what it's. Ay. It's nice, guys. Ito siya. Kiss fruit.
Fruit. Fruit. Lipstick.